Okay, if you have finished the previous steps, let's continue. And we need to edit these two lines a little bit more. We go to the top view. Okay. There is a curved, so we need to edit them. Turn on your control points. Before it, we need to rebuild it again. Maybe 4 points with 3 degrees. Then let us adjust the shape of this line. Oh, and then rebuild this one again. Let's go back to the top view. We need to split this line into 2 lines because there is a small one. So we can use this point, mark it to here, select the line, and then use split, select this point, and then we press enter. Cool, then this line split it into 2 lines. And then we can use sweep tools to create our surface. But before that, we need to check, are they in the tangency relations? No, so we need to match curve into tangency relations. Let's go to edit curve tools, this one. Find match curve. We should select this line first because the first selected line will change the form. Okay, select this one will be changed. Then this one we want it to be tangency continuity. Okay, click OK. And then this one. Cool. And then we can use sweep 2 rules. Sweep 2 rules. First rule, second rule, cross section. Cool. And then the next one. 2 rules to cross section curves. Or you can use 4 edges to create a surface comment. First rule, second rule, and our 2 cross section curve. And then the last one. Oh, then we made our surface. Do it until this step, guys, and then we do the skylights. If you finished, let's continue. Have a look at the renders. We are doing these 3 skylights now. Go to the top view, select the surface. Go to the top view, and right click. Split surface by isocurve lines. We find the cutting point, first one, second one, and the third one. Let's go back to perspective view. And you will see we have already split the whole surface into 4 pieces. Well, if you turn on your control points, you will find for these small pieces of surface, the control points are outside of it. Okay? Do you know the reason? Because we forget to choose the shrink control points options. Let's do it again. Split, right click, surface by isocurve. We choose the cutting point, first one, second one, and the third one. Shrink, yes, press enter. Cool. Then we go back to perspective view. Then you turn on your control points, but you can see there are still 2 more points outside of the surface. What can we do? We can select all of this surface first. Go to edit surface tools, and then we choose shrink trim surface. Click it. Turn on the control points again. You will find, oops, let us do it again. Delete this one. This is not the control points. If we turn on the control points, you will find all of the control points already come back to the surface. Cool. Now let us do the skylight. If we turn on the control points, we find we only have 4 lines of the control points. We need some more. So I select the surface and go to rebuild surface. Change them into 7 points in U direction and 4 points in V direction. And also I can change it into 5 by 5 degrees. If I increase the degree number, the surface will be more smooth. Okay. Cool. Then I do the first one. Turn on the control points, select a point, go to the top view to adjust the form. We can turn off our gumball. This will be much easier. I think I need to do it again. Select these 2 points and drag it. Oh, now it's much better. And then we also need to drag the height of these lines. Then we finish the surface. The height and the position is good, but if we say this surface is towards to outside, we want to control it better. So let us turn on the control points, and we can draw a line here. I have told you when we do the model, we can follow in the geometric rules. We can drag all of this line to here. We do it again. We can drag all of the points, control points to this line. Then you can see it's much better, right? Oh, and then we do the next one. Turn on the control points, select the point, these 2 points, and then we go to the top view to adjust the form. We go to the front view to adjust the height. This one. Then we draw the line for it. Oh, looks much better. And then the last one. Repeat the same process. We need to use this line to trim our surface. Trim it. And this one. Oh. And we draw another line to put this line of control points. So we finish these 3 skylights. It's very nice. Do it until this step, guys, and then we do the rest of the steps.